about the importance of technical skill and as well as the communicational skill. How it's make your professional life much better and it's reduce your burden of work. So let's start. And can you guess what is the today topic? Yes. Okay. Let me tell you that there is the. I had already told you the importance of reading, importance of communication skill and technical skill. But I'm not telling you the importance of the writing skill in your life and how you make your writing skill much more effective. First, I'm tell you the importance of the writing skill. Then I am tell how to develop this skill. Okay. So importance is that when you write something, okay, you express your thought about something. And when you write, you much more declare about your thought about the thing which you try to explain. Yes. So this is important. As a student, you have to write. Students are write because they have the homework, they have the classwork, so much things. But as an elder and as a professional staff, professional worker, what you write, you write in a day, have you write one or two page in a day? No. So it's going to close down our explanation skill, because when we write, we try to explain more and more things, but when we speak, we going to be summary of the things. Yes. So this is the importance. When you speak, when you try to write something, you're going to be much more clear about yourself. So this topic is we going to be study. We going to be read and explaining and the skill, how to develop this skill. Okay. So be going with me, and I'm written about something there by myself, because before giving any lectures and anything else, making videos, we have to try these things on first yourself. Then you have know the importance of this thing. Then you tell and share with someone else, to some your friends, your colleagues, your friends, your family, and anything else. So I'm telling, okay, and before telling, I'm showing you something. Okay, so this. No, there's much more lighting here, so you can't see. Okay, I'm telling one by one. First is the writing skill, how to develop. So there is a 5 important tips to develop this skill and 5 important points which is I have take away from the videos and from my, there's one book which is I read, so I have take away from this. I'm told you after the video which book I prefer to read it. Okay. So grammar and vocabulary. So grammar and vocabulary. Writing in particular tense, whatever it is, past, present, future, and learn the words, speak and write it. So this point is tell about that you have to be write the sentence, okay, write the stories and write about your day, your what you want to do today and tomorrow, okay, and what's your planning when you're going to be sleep. So what you do to the next day, you have to write it, which write in past, present, future. When you write the story, you tell about something past, so you using so much past vocabulary. Okay, past tense there. When you written about the 2 days, what you do, so it is about the present, and what you make for the next day, what you want to do next day, it is about the future. So when you using to write this all thing, you using the tense repeatedly. Okay, so it's going to enhance your the and going to reduce your errorness. Okay, errorness on your sentence which you going to be make a past, present, future tense and sentence mixing with. So when you write and read it aloud, okay, after writing you have to read once and 2 times. Then you pick out your mistake from this. Okay, so it's going to reduce your errorness of the sentence and reading repeatedly, it's going to increase your reading skills and writing skill. And observe the mistake of yourself. Okay? Can you go for the next point? Yes. So, read lots of book, novel, story, conversation. What does the mean about that? This is going to be reading skill. In writing, how it's help? This is the question arises. I'm telling you. When you're reading the novels, okay, when you're reading the story, anything else from Economic Times, your newspaper, and your favorite books. So, what you observe when you're reading repeatedly and reading on the daily basis, okay, you have learned so much words. You have knowledge about so much vocabularies words. So when you going for the writing, you have the words to express your feelings, okay, your emotions. Which word is going to put to express your feeling? These arts you getting from this thing, from reading the books and novels and anything like that. How they putting the words, how they construct their sentence, how to be very structured from their story. Yes. So this is going to also improve your reading skill and also writing skill. So when you writing, you have the words to express your feeling, and when you express your feeling in a good words, high level of vocabularies, so it's going to be make yourself professional, and you are the good language learner. Yes. So we are going to be next point, which is you go to write 1 or 2 pages as your own. Perfection is important. It comes from the practice. Yes. I also told you that you have to write 1 or 2 pages in a day, on a daily basis. It's about story. It's about anything else. It's about your day structure, your daily routines. So when you write, use going to be format yourself, format your story, format your day. Yes, you going to be making any plans. So before execute, you should be right. So you know that how to. There is any correction which I have to do, and there is a thing which is I have to remove, which is not necessary, which is not be recommended. I have to do that. So do that. Okay. So yes, when you write 1 to 2 pages, not I'm saying 2 to 3 pages. You say 2 to 3 pages like I'm the student who write the copywriting. No, there's nothing. I'm not going to say any copy, paste and copy. You have to read and write it yourself, not going to be copying this. Okay, only read and write anything else that you want in your planning, in your day format, and your story, and in novels that you have read. You have to go to summary out with this. Any books that you read, you have to go summary out this. Yes. So do this. And after going to read on daily basis, it's going to make your practice. It's going to improve your writing skill, your observation power, your reading skill, and you are such a perfect person. Imperfection is there. I'm not saying there is one person who is completely perfect, but learn from your imperfection. Okay, so do this. 3 point is clear, and there is a next but not the last one, which is prove your reading by speaking the word in loudly. Yes, this is the most important thing which I had to do. You read, okay, but how to say that you read is correctly? Yes, who won't say that you read is correctly, your reading is correct? And how to ensure yourself that you are correct reading? So it is by reading aloud. When you're reading aloud, it's going to be listening, reading, observation. Your all things are your 2 to 4 things, which is your mind, your listening power, your speaking power, all are going to be connected with each other as Choose the coach or someone who has directed you and checked you as a fresher perspective. What about this point, and what this point is want to explain you is that choose anyone. It is your teacher, it is your friend, and it is any social media influencer and any tuition classes. They direct you. They are much greater than you. Okay, first try to this, and they going to coach you. Like they directed you that you are going to be the right or not. You are going to be improvement or not. Yes. So as a fresher perspective, like you are the fresher for this. Okay, you have not an idea about that. And then there is someone else who's going to try to teach you, check you. So it's one type of improvement that you gain. It is the like it's for who want to be improved fastly. Okay, who going to gain their success and their this skill by fastly. So they have to do this. I'm not recommended. If you going to be judge yourself by your okay, judge you yourself by yourself. So you can. Okay, I also judge myself by myself. There's no one else who going to teach me that you are going to be better than this extra day. You have made video, you have to write story and read from past to present, future. Then you say that what improvement you get and what the level of stage you get. Yes, it depends. So today's topic is going to be today's enough because it's going to be increase the time. And told you that there's so much skill is required as a professional, and if you want to work in a multinational corporation, because there are so much competition, we have to face this competition. So for this I have to and we have to make ourselves perfect to increase our level of perfection and get more chance of opportunities. Yes, learn, because when you learn, first you start to learn, then going to be power of victory. Okay, so next video is about like accounting skill. I have to try to first contribute so much content over there and then going to be make video. Okay, till the time watch my video, like, subscribe and support me. Okay, there is so much error in my video, there is so much mistake that I had to. So for this sorry, and